seas wide, whispers of the legends bide, leaves that shimmer in the breeze, ancient wisdom in the trees. With the moon as guide at night, stars above that shine so bright, becomes the wolf, the owl, the bear, magic dances in the air. Hear the druid's ancient song, feel the earth where you belong. Nature's pulse within his veins, binding sky to gentle rains. Mystic herbs and healing charms, birds and beasts within his arms. Every creature, sea or land, hears his call and understand. Feel the heartbeat of the world in your chest. Every creature finds a place to rest. In the circle of life we all are blessed. Forest whispers guide us to our quest. Song, feel the earth where you belong. Nature's pulse within his veins, binding sky to gentle rains. Guardian of lands untamed,
He's wishing he has
Celtic
his
priest
own
by oath proclaimed,
wallet.
mighty oak and fragile vine, all in balance, all in